Now I choose the character, use character compass arrow. Then I use this Iva. Okay, and drag to another side. So I use another guy, Leon. Okay, I use 3D motion that Studio Mocap-Spunky move. Yeah, I use interact. So today learn about the walk, this one, Sia and Sia, this one. Okay, we try to use this for girl. Yeah, and rotate her to this and click split body, this, and click apply. Okay, it's not correct press, so I would like to use again. Test this. Okay, like this. Okay, and Sia for this man. Yeah, Sia for this man. Drag and drop. Yeah, rotate this, and testing play. Okay, like this. Apply. Okay, I would like to draw seat for this girl and this man. Yeah, just capture. And click create in Photoshop. Just waiting. Okay, Control V and Control T. Just waiting. And use this tool, sharp tool, or rectangle tool, or round tool. Okay, I use this color. So I just click save, drop, and bring behind this. Like this, okay. So I would like to play the animate. Okay, we need to adjust this transform. Click object red thread. We can back little. Touch and here, touch. So when touch here, so I would like to click this woman and I click transform. What's this? So I would like to check this when he touch here and double click here. So back this and drag her. So sitting. Double click here and play this, drag, touch this, and here. Okay. With slide, so drag this one to close this keyframe. Drag back. Okay, like that. Simple and easy. Yeah, to use this interact like this. Okay, hope help you guys. So I try to use another motion. So I would like to remove. And this, when we remove, that means like reset, so you don't worry, just click apply another motion to this. So I would like to use this one and this boy, this man, testing. Okay, this worker, sorry, okay. And flip body, so rotate this. Okay. play. Like that, just like that. So I would like to apply this. Okay. And comment, so I would like to apply this and testing. Okay, and get up this one. So first one, look at this. Okay, just apply this one. Okay, it's ready. So I would like to adjust some motion transform of this character. Hush. Touch it. Sorry. Double click here and share. So here we adjust it like this again. Okay, Spunky Move Studio Mocap, you can find on Revolution. Yeah, you can find this 3D motion. I'm not sure this free or not, so you can go there and find this Studio Mocap-Spunky Move. Yeah, it helps a lot of you. That means save time when you have that motion to play like this. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you learn about this Spunky Move. Interact with Sid see you. Yeah, Sid see you and Sid see ya. Okay, see ya. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you think this have a useful video. Okay, see you next tutorial. Bye bye.